Yes, turning to proclamations, item 30 is Council President Cole proclaiming September 25th, 2018 to be Sons and Daughters of Guam Club, Inc. 65th Unification Day in the city of San Diego.
Good morning, Council colleagues. Today I have the honor of presenting a proclamation to the Sons and Daughters of Guam Club Incorporated for their 65th unification in the city of San Diego. The Sons and Daughters of Guam Club's mission is to preserve their native Chamoru cultural and language by promoting and educating Chamoru people and the public. It began in 1953 when Jose Joe Flores and Guillermo Gil Titano founded the club in San Diego. The community center in the Choyas View community serves as a social, cultural, and recreational space for the Chamoru people. They have partnered with the Union of Pan-Asian Communities, UPAC, to provide hot lunch meals to seniors and residents in southeastern San Diego. Just this year, the Sons and Daughters of Guam Club sponsored the Arisha Cultural Dance Troupe to take youth dancers, musicians, and cultural leaders back to Guam, some for their first time. We thank the Sons and Daughters of Guam Club for your 65 years of dedication to giving back to the San Diego region. And now for the proclamation. Whereas the Sons and Daughters of Guam Club is a home away from home for all Chamoru people living in San Diego, and it has become a cultural hub that allows the youth to learn from the leaders, from the elders and family. Now therefore be it proclaimed by the Council of the City of San Diego that this council, for and on behalf of the people of San Diego, does hereby proclaim September the 25th, 2018, to be Sons and Daughters of Guam Club Incorporated 65th Unification Day in the city of San Diego. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. My name is Josh Bohr. I'm the Vice President of the Sons and Daughters of Guam Club, and I'd like to thank the city and everybody of San Diego. A lot of people don't realize, but it's the original cultural center of San Diego. The elders have a model that's an actual architectural model that's been built, and we still have it, and it actually says the original cultural center of San Diego. So thank you very much.
Can we get a picture? Can you turn around?
We do.
Thank you so much for being here.
Wait, because we don't have enough votes.
Yes, please.
My apologies. I forgot to mention that the 65th Unification celebration is this Sunday, so it's all free food, and it's going to be a celebration of entertainment. We have actually Gumas, which are dance troops coming from all over the U.S. and Guam, and performing as a unified group. So thank you.
Thank you.
Item 31 is Councilmember Alvarez proclaiming September